Hi there, students. Ignominious, an adjective. Ignominy, a noun, countable or uncountable. If something is ignominious, it's very embarrassing. It's humiliating. It's shameful. You feel disgrace. It's like a dishonour in public. The scandal was an ignominious end to what had been up to then a brilliant career, or the ignominious retreat of Napoleon from Russia. My plan was an ignominious failure. The ignominy of failing my exams left me very depressed. So the embarrassment, it was greatly humiliating. Real Madrid suffered the ignominy of being beaten by a second-rate team. I suffered the ignominy of not having enough money to pay the restaurant bill when I was inviting my girlfriend's parents to lunch. God, what public embarrassment. The slave had to support ignominious treatment from his master, highly shameful, that left him in disgrace. So, ignominious, embarrassing, publicly shameful. Ignominy, the shame, the public shame of something. So notice this is a formal word. I'd probably give this 7.5, 8 informality. Don't use it in an informal conversation. Informally, embarrassment, shame, disgrace, something like that. And the origin, well, in French there's a word ignominy, which has the same meaning, and then that comes from Latin, ignomia, ig, not, and nomen, name or reputation, so no reputation. So I don't think I've had any ignominious moments in this video, although this is actually the third take. So ignominious, embarrassing, publicly dishonouring, and ignominy, the noun, dishonour, public shame. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ignominious, ignominy.